Welcome back to Ouwehands Zoo, Netherlands. In part 2, we'll come face to face with the majestic white lion, the powerful western lowland gorilla, the adorable red panda, the colorful macaws, the silent Amur tiger, the penguin, and the gentle African elephant. So let's continue our journey. Now we come face to face with the king of the jungle, the African lion. Unlike most big cats, lions live together in family groups called prides, where they work together to raise cubs and defend their territory. Native to Africa's grasslands and savannas, male lions are instantly recognizable by their impressive mane. And here's an incredible fact. A lion's roar can travel up to 8 kilometers, warning rivals long before they ever come into view. Powerful, social, and fearless, the lion has earned its title as the King of Beasts. Red panda. Now it's time to meet one of the cutest animals in the zoo, the red panda. Despite the name, red pandas aren't closely related to giant pandas. They belong to their own unique animal family. Native to the mountain forests of Nepal, Bhutan, northern India, and southwestern China, East African gray-crowned crane, native to the wetlands and grasslands of East Africa. The gray-crowned crane is famous for its golden crown of feathers. During courtship, these elegant birds perform spectacular dancing displays. Hawaiian goose, nene. The Hawaiian goose, or nene, is found only on the Hawaiian Islands. Once on the brink of extinction, it has become one of conservation's greatest success stories. Nicobar pigeon, native to the islands of Southeast Asia and the Indian Ocean, the Nicobar pigeon is the closest living relative of the extinct dodo, with shimmering metallic feathers that sparkle in the sunlight. Turk scarlet ibis. The scarlet ibis comes from the wetlands of northern South America and the Caribbean. Saddle-billed stork, native to the wetlands of sub-Saharan Africa. White-naped crane. The white-naped crane breeds across Mongolia, northern China, and eastern Russia. These graceful birds are known for forming lifelong pairs and performing elegant courtship dances. Victoria crowned pigeon, found only in the rainforests of New Guinea. The Victoria crowned pigeon is the largest pigeon species in the world. Scarlet macaw, native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. The scarlet macaw is famous for its brilliant red, yellow, and blue feathers. And these intelligent parrots can live for over 50 years. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw comes from Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. And as the world's largest flying parrot, its powerful beak is strong enough to crack the toughest palm nuts. Amur tiger. Everything becomes quieter here because somewhere nearby, the Amur tiger is watching. Also known as the Siberian tiger, this is the largest cat species on Earth, native to the forests of eastern Russia and northeastern China. Despite their enormous size, they're incredibly silent hunters and excellent swimmers, often crossing rivers with ease. Aldabra giant. Tortoise native to the Aldabra atoll in the Seychelles, the Aldabra giant tortoise is one of the world's largest tortoises. These gentle giants can live for well over 100 years. Yellow-footed tortoise. The yellow-footed tortoise comes from the tropical rainforests of South America. The bright yellow scales on its legs give this slow-moving reptile its distinctive name. Yak native to the Himalayan mountains and the Tibetan plateau, yaks are perfectly adapted to life at high altitudes. Their thick coat keeps them warm in freezing temperatures where few animals can survive. Wrinkled hornbill. The wrinkled hornbill is native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia. During nesting, the female seals herself inside a tree cavity while the male delivers food through a small opening. Toco toucan found across South America. The Toco toucan is famous for its enormous orange bill. Despite its size, the bill is surprisingly lightweight and helps regulate the bird's body temperature. Poison dart frog, native to the rainforests of Central and South America. Poison dart frogs are tiny but brightly colored. Their vivid colors warn predators to stay away. Reindeer are native to the Arctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. They're the only deer species in which both males and females can grow antlers. Brown bear. Not every bear calls the Arctic home. Meet the brown bear. Found across Europe, Asia, and North America, brown bears are among the world's most adaptable mammals. Although they can weigh more than 600 kilograms, they're surprisingly fast. Malayan sun bear. The Malayan sun bear lives in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. It is the world's smallest bear and has an exceptionally long tongue for extracting honey and insects. And here is lowland gorilla, found in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It feeds on leaves, fruits, and stems. With nearly 98% of its DNA shared with humans, its facial expressions and family bonds are strikingly familiar. Bornean orangutan, found only on the island of Borneo. These highly intelligent apes share nearly 97% of their DNA with humans. They even use sticks as tools to find food in the wild. Barbary macaque, native to the Atlas Mountains of Morocco and Algeria. The Barbary macaque is the only wild monkey found in North Africa. Unlike most monkeys, it has almost no visible tail. Golden-headed lion tamarin. This tiny primate comes from the Atlantic forests of eastern Brazil. Its striking golden mane and agile movements make it one of the rainforest's most eye-catching monkeys. Slender-tailed meerkat, native to southern Africa. Meerkats are famous for standing upright to watch for danger. They live in close-knit family groups called mobs. White-lipped tamarin. The white-lipped tamarin is native to the Amazon rainforest of Brazil. These energetic monkeys travel through the treetops in groups, constantly communicating with high-pitched calls. Colobus monkey, native to the forests of Central and East Africa. The king colobus monkey is easily recognized by its striking black and white coat. Unlike many monkeys, it survives almost entirely on leaves thanks to a specialized stomach that helps digest tough plant material. Humboldt penguin, native to the coasts of Peru and Chile. Humboldt penguins thrive in surprisingly warm climates. They rely on the cold Humboldt current to keep cool and find food. As their size. Elephants recognize themselves in mirrors, remember water sources for years, and form deep family bonds that last a lifetime. Their trunk contains over 40,000 muscles, giving them the strength to move heavy logs and the precision to pick up something as small as a blade of grass. Gentle, intelligent, and unforgettable, elephants are true